Hello kids, what's your name? How will you write your name? And do you know what are the action words? Yes, in this video we'll discuss it. Subscribe the channel. 7.3 Let's talk. Look and see. देखो और कहो. Riya is drawing a picture. रिया एक तस्वीर बना रही है. Max is playing football. Max फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. Raj is reading a book. राज एक किताब पढ़ रहा है. रूही is sleeping in the bed. रूही बिस्तर पर सो रही है. John is singing a song. John एक गाना गा रहा है. Ali is swimming in the pool. अली तालाब में तैराकी कर रहा है. Priya and Prasad are going to school. प्रिया और प्रसाद स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Let's talk about the action words. Action words यानी ऐसे अल्फाज जिससे किसी एक्शन यानी अमल का होना जाहिर होता है, चाहे वो फिजिकल और मेंटल एक्शंस यानी जिस्मानी या ज़हनी हरकत हो. एक्शन वर्ड्स को डूइंग वर्ड्स भी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इससे हमें पता चलता है कि क्या काम हो रहा है. Let us find the action words. Riya is drawing a picture. Drawing. Max is playing football. Playing. Raj is reading a book. Reading. Ruhi is sleeping in the bed. Sleeping. John is singing a song. Singing. Ali is swimming in the pool. Swimming. Priya and Prasad are going to school. Going. Let's talk. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Riya. What's your name? I am Max. What's your name? My name is Raj. What's your name? I am Ruhi. What's your name? I am John. What's your name? My name is Ali. What's your name? I am Priya. My name is Prasad. Do remember, याद रखिए, जब भी नाम लिखेंगे नाम का फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल ही लिखना है. And the last but not least, if you want more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.